What is the number one key to manifesting your desire? Hard work, luck, resources, money, health. What is the number one key to manifesting your desires? My friend, there is something much more important than all these things. These are definitely part of manifestation and important to your manifestation, but there is something much more important to your manifestation. And today I am sharing with you the number one key to manifest your desires. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesomazing, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hi, I'm AJ. I'm a life coach and I help people make their life awesome by using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our tribe. And you can check my website awesomazer.com for more tools, techniques, and resources in your manifestation journey. Now, this one key is always the key to your manifestation. Or let me rephrase it, rather than one key, let me ask you, who is the most important person in your life? And many of you may say like your parents, or maybe your life partner, or maybe your children, maybe your son, daughter, someone very close to you, or someone whom you love a lot. And definitely that person or those people are the most important people in your life. But my friend, the most important person in your life is you. Yes, you. You are the most important person in your life. And though it may sound self-obsessed or selfish, because from the beginning of time, from childhood, most of us has been programmed to not love ourselves, not like ourselves. Rather, most of us has been programmed to hate ourselves, not give any value to ourselves. And it has always been preached and it has always been taught that if you are focusing on yourself, you are doing something wrong, you are doing something bad, and that is not the good thing. You should always give priority to other people. You will always give more focus or time or energy to other people. My friend, when I say you are the most important person, I am not asking you to be selfish. I am not asking you to be self-obsessed. What I am asking you to focus on yourself in the most divine, spiritual and positive way. Because one thing you have to understand, that you are here, that is why this world is here. It means because you are alive, because you exist, that is why everything around you is existing. When you will be dead, though you may assume that all the other people will be alive or the world will be there, but you can't say that with surety. This world is existing because you are existing. For me, this whole world is existing because I am alive and I could able to see it, feel it, interact it, be with people. If I am not there, nothing is there. I am gone. So what is there left behind or who is there, it doesn't matter. You need to understand this. You are here, that is why you have the power to make things right. You have the power to make your dreams come true, or if you want to make your parents or partner or son or daughter want to be proud of you, you want to make an impact in the world, you want to make an impact in the society, you want to be rich or famous or successful or happy or just be a good human, everything is possible till the time you are alive and here. That is why the most important person in your life is you. Because only when you are positive, only when you are healthy, only when you are happy, only when you are doing the things that you want to do in a positive way, then you can do whatever you want. Then you can make all those people proud, or then you can create positive impact, then you can do anything. So to have that power to manifest your goals, desires and dreams and create a positive impact, you have to remember that you are the most important person in your life, and you have to be self-loving, because most of us has been programmed from childhood to be self-critical more than anything else. And when you become self-critical, your power, your energy goes down and you won't be able to perform at the highest level the way you want. And my friend, let me make it clear, There is a huge difference between being selfish and self-loving. Being selfish is negative. It's like, who is selfish? When someone wants to use other people, manipulate other people, take advantage of other people for their advantage and without caring whether this is the right thing or wrong thing. Whereas self-love is, you are giving value to yourself, you are focused on your own well-being, you are focused on your own thing, but you are not putting anyone or you are not using anyone for your advantage or anything. You are doing things positively. And the most important thing of self-love is, you are not comparing yourself with anyone. You know that everyone is unique, everyone has something good in them, everyone has something bad in them, everyone is strong, everyone is weak in some area, some way. So you are focusing on yourself, you are working on yourself, you are making better and better of yourself. And that is the key. So self-love or you is the number one key to your manifestation. Your self-love is the number one key to manifestation. This is always the most important thing. And many people who are not achieving their goals, desires and dreams is because they are not self-loving. That is why they are giving way too much energy, time and priority to other people, and they are not working on their dreams. They are not taking time off to meditate. They are not taking time off to do that affirmation. They are not taking time off to visualize their dreams, and they are so consumed by other people or their requirement that they are spending all through the day, and then they realizing that they did not work on their dream, and then they wonder, oh, I have done everything for everyone, why am I not achieving my dreams? My friend, you are not doing the thing you are supposed to do for yourself. Then how can you achieve your dreams? It's your dreams, not their dreams. If it's your dreams, then you have to work on it. You have to focus on it. Sometimes you have to work mentally, sometimes emotionally, sometimes physically. You need that time to work on your dreams. And you need to be self-loving to do at the highest level, at the best level. So always remember, the self-love, your self-love is your number one key to your success, your happiness, your abundance and your manifestation. If you are not a self-loving person, if you are a self-critical person, then you need to change it right from today. And one of the easiest way to reprogram the subconscious mind and cultivate more self-love in you is listening to self-love affirmation. And I have created an amazing video and it is there on YouTube for self-love affirmation, and you can check the link here. And apart from that, you can do many more things to cultivate your self-love. If you have not been self-loving so far, it's okay, because most people have been programmed to being self-critical. But today is the day when you have to change the game. Today is the day when you have to start a new journey. And I'm giving you some of the ideas to cultivate more self-love. The number one thing about self-love is you invest time, money, energy in your growth, in your well-being. And this is the most important thing self-loving people do. Self-loving people invest their time, money and energy in their own well-being, in their own improvement, in their own learning, in their own transformation. Like for example, many people, they spend money for everyone, but they are overweight and they don't want to spend money for their own gym membership or own yoga class. So you are not self-loving if you are doing that thing. If you have the money, you have to invest in your gym or yoga class or whatever you are doing, so that you have to invest in that gear, fitness gear, and so that you will become better. Same way, you have to invest in your learning. Maybe you have to do some programs, you have to attend some workshops, you have to go for some certification, you have to do something which will upgrade your knowledge or upgrade your understanding about life, and it will help you achieve more things in your life. So you have to invest time, money and energy in your well-being. If you are doing it, that is the number one thing you can do for your self-love. Second, appreciate yourself. Stop being self-critical. Remember that every single person on earth has some weakness. Yes, every single person has some kind of weaknesses. Every single person has a lot of good things in them, maybe some bad things in them. You have to appreciate all the good things in you first. Then only you can work on maybe changing your weaknesses into strength or overcome them. But first thing, you have to start finding what are the good things in you. Appreciate yourself. Third is, follow some of the good things you always wanted to do. If you wanted to do some positive things, positive activities, but you are not doing it because of lack of money, lack of time, lack of intention, lack of anything, start doing it. Maybe you want to go for that vacation, maybe you want to learn something, maybe you want to pursue some habit in the weekend. Maybe you want to do something, maybe you want to sleep more, maybe you want to rest more, maybe you want to eat healthy. Start doing that thing which is relevant to your overall well-being, because when you do it your energy will go high. When you have better well-being, you will be much more self-loving. Start taking care of yourself, start dressing well, start doing things for yourself so that you will feel better about yourself. Start upgrading yourself in every way possible. Keep raising your standard every single day in whatever way possible. That will help you go higher and better, and it will inspire you every single day to become a better person. And when you become a better person, when you become a more amazing person, more awesome person, your manifestation power will go higher. You will feel positive, you will feel exciting, you will feel that you have the power to achieve whatever you desire. My friend, the number one key to manifest all your goals, desires and dreams is self-love. And the number one key to self-love is investing your time, money and energy in your learning, in your transformation, in your upgradation, in making yourself a better person and a happier person and a joyful person, but everything in a positive way. When you do it, you will feel so much of self-love that you can able to start manifesting things just like that. So if this video is an eye-opener for you, or if you are ignoring yourself so far and this video has give you a new perspective to focus on yourself, then do let me know in the comment section. And if this video is something valuable to you, then like it, comment, share with someone. And I want you to promise yourself that you are going to be a self-loving person from right this moment. And you can let me know in the comment section that yes, I am the most important person in my life and I am focusing on my self-love. Because always remember, you are the center of your universe. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes and learn more about self-love, then you can join my powerful program, 28 Magical Practice Program, where we have some particular tools, techniques and processes relevant to self-love, which will really help you immensely. So you can check the link in the description section. And thank you for being this amazing creation of the universe. And always remember, you are the center of your universe. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.